In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear ChatGPT memory, step by step. If you've ever shared preferences or recurring details with ChatGPT and want to wipe them clean, clearing memory is the fastest way to start fresh. Think of memory as a small notebook ChatGPT keeps, only with information you've allowed it to remember to personalize your experience. Deleting it won't affect your account or your conversation history. It simply removes those saved preferences and details so future replies won't use them. Here's how to do it. Start in ChatGPT. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile or avatar. This opens a compact menu with your account options. From there, click Settings to open the main configuration panel. Settings is where you control your experience, so we'll stay focused on the items relevant to memory. Inside Settings, select Personalization. This section groups features that tailor ChatGPT to you, which is exactly where memory lives. In Personalization, look for the memory area. You'll see an option labeled Manage. Go ahead and click Manage to open the memory controls. At the top right of the memory management view, you'll notice a three-dot icon. Click that icon to reveal more actions for your stored memories. In the menu that appears, choose Delete All Memories. That command removes everything ChatGPT has saved in memory about your preferences and recurring details. After this, ChatGPT won't reference that cleared information in new conversations. That's the full process from start to finish. To recap in plain language: Profile, Settings, Personalization, Memory, Manage, three dots, and Delete All Memories. It's quick, precise, and completely contained within your account settings. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. Clearing memory is different from deleting chat history. Your past conversations still exist in your history unless you remove them separately. It also doesn't change your custom instructions or settings like tone or style you might have configured elsewhere. You're simply removing the set of facts ChatGPT had been allowed to remember about you for personalization. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look a bit tighter, but the same labels, Settings, Personalization, Memory, and Manage, are what you're aiming for. After you clear memory, you can continue chatting as usual, and over time, you can allow ChatGPT to remember new details again if you choose. And that's it. Your ChatGPT memory is cleared. Thanks for watching and enjoy a fresh start with your conversations.